Today we're diving into a topic that might surprise you: the sex lives of women over 70. Some people think that older women aren't interested in romance or intimacy anymore. But the truth is quite different. Let's explore some cool and unexpected facts about this. Fact number 1. You might be surprised to learn that many older women feel more passionate than ever. Why? Well, they don't have to worry about having babies or the pressures of raising a family. This can free them up to enjoy romance and intimacy more than when they were younger. Fact number 2. Think older women aren't getting intimate anymore. Think again. Research shows that a good number of women in their 60s and 70s are still enjoying romantic relationships. Even better, a large portion of them say they're very satisfied with their love lives. Fact number 3. Age is just a number, right? Some older women are still curious and like to try new things in the bedroom. This could mean exploring different activities like self-pleasure or even having new experiences with a partner. Fact number 4. With age comes wisdom. And for some women, that means they can connect more deeply with their partners. Emotional bonds can make intimacy even more special and enjoyable. Fact number 5. Intimacy isn't just about one thing. Older women enjoy many forms of closeness, not just sex. This includes things like cuddling, kissing, and other affectionate gestures. Fact number 6. Getting older can sometimes bring physical changes that affect intimacy. But don't worry, there are solutions. Using special products like lubricants or even hormone treatments can make things more comfortable and enjoyable. Fact number 7. Safety first. Older women are often more cautious about their health, which means they're less likely to take risks that could lead to health issues. This includes being careful about protecting themselves from sexually transmitted infections. Fact number 8. Intimacy can be good for your health. For some older women, having a romantic connection can help with feelings of sadness or worry. It can even boost their overall well-being and happiness. Fact number 9. For many older women, being intimate is about more than just physical pleasure. It's also about feeling confident, independent, and true to themselves. Fact number 10. Everyone is different. Some older women are very active when it comes to romance, while others might not be as interested. And that's okay. What's important is respecting their choices and understanding that everyone's experience is unique. So there you have it, some fascinating insights into the love lives of women over 70. It just goes to show that age is no barrier when it comes to romance and intimacy. If you found this topic interesting, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.